Hello there. Welcome to yet another episode of Speak Better, Write Better. Have you ever felt confused with prepositions? How to use in, on, at, of or to and do away with the mistakes in these uses? Well, in today's video, we're going to take a look at how to put the proper prepositions. Prepositions might be a mouthful, but they're essential in your linguistic toolkits to ensure precision in your sentences. So, let's break them down together. First up, we've got in. In is the preposition of place, which indicates where something is happening. Think of it as a getaway to an enclosed space. It shows that something is within the boundaries of that space. For example, a cat is in the box. Moving on, there's on. On is also a preposition of place, but this one indicates the position of something which is on the surface. For example, you can say, the book is on the table. Now let's look at. At is a preposition which helps you to pinpoint a location or a particular time. For example, you can say, let's meet at the cafe at 3 o'clock. Now let's talk about to. To is a preposition which is about direction, movement, intention or purpose. So you can say, I am going to the store to buy some bread. And last but not the least, of. This preposition can be used to indicate place, position, time and measurement. This is like a magical preposition which works for possession, origin and composition. For example, you can say, the flavor of this cake is amazing. Or, we went to the south of London on 6th of September. And that wraps up today's video. Remember these basics and until next time, keep these prepositions in check. So, stay tuned for more such interesting videos.